Our forests are home to an astonishing 80% of life on land, and abound with an amazing variety of creatures, big and small. You know some of them, others might surprise you. Even the tiniest of creatures play a crucial role, working hard to sustain life, enabling trees and all the other remarkable plants to grow, sometimes even unnoticed. They are the heroes in the circle of life that keeps our planet healthy. But today, this biodiversity is under serious threat. Millions of hectares of forest are being lost every year. We need to care for our only home by caring for our forests.